How to pay Apollo Group TV with credit card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to pay Apollo Group TV with credit card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for portal.apollogroup.tv. Now go ahead and sign yourself in if you are not signed in using your username and your password on the Apollo Group TV homepage. If you do not have an account, you can create one by clicking the Create Account option. After logging into your account, navigate to the Subscription tab and tap on it. Select the plan to which you want to subscribe from the list. You can choose a 30-day plan. After selecting your plan, the action will direct you to the payment method screen. Tap on the credit card as your payment method option. You will then need to enter your credit card information on the screen that will pop up. The system will process the payment by displaying a successful payment message on the screen. So, this is how you can pay Apollo Group TV with credit card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shrines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.